She complains that she's not in the vlogs. I pull out the camera and she doesn't want to be in the vlog. Do you want to be in the vlog? You like the camera, no? Where are you?
She's gonna be a model.
Yeah, she loves the camera, this one. They're both gonna be models.
Yeah.
Arrête. You already know what time it is. Oui.
Tennis time.
It's 10 o'clock, baby. We're wearing matching gear, as you can see. It's like training camp with Julian. We get matching t-shirts. We just did abs, core abs and upper body. Shout out Izzy. And now we're about to play tennis. We did a Cobana, like thick honey.
I wanna dance with you, 'cause you know what to do in those skin tight pants. I love the way you dance. I wanna slow dance with only you, baby. Oh, slow down. Ooh, slow it down.
Tell the people where we are.
We are in this cave. We're inside a cave. This was not man-made. This is human. No, land. Fuck.
Not human.
Agus, tell the people where we are.
We are in a secret cave inside of his bedroom, Ibiza, and a magic rock.
In the magic rock.
Take some photos, right?
Yeah.
I want you more and more and more. I've been waiting all night long for a slow song to dance with you. I don't want to be jumping around. I don't wanna boogie down. Don't wanna press, 'cause I need romance. I just wanna hold you near, whisper in your ear. The picture is clear. I want you, my dear. Let's slow dance. Oh, baby. I wanna slow